Hi everyone! Welcome to Basic Japanese Writing, the fastest, easiest, and most fun way to master the Japanese alphabet.
You've learned these 20 hiragana characters in the previous lessons. In this lesson, you learn 5 new hiragana characters. The first hiragana character for this lesson is na. Na. Think of na as a complicated nut. Are you confused between ta and na? Just remember that na looks more complicated, so it gets mixed up in a nut. Also, remember that the left side of ta is taller.
Do you remember that hiragana I is used as the suffix for most adjectives? These are called I adjectives. The other kind of adjectives are the na adjectives. These use the hiragana na as the particle to connect two nouns.
Hiragana na is written in 4 strokes. The first stroke is a short horizontal stroke. Next is a diagonal stroke that cuts through the first stroke. It only goes until the middle. The third stroke is a short curved stroke to the right and under the first stroke. It ends with a hane and continues onto the next stroke. The final stroke goes downwards, then makes a loop. Unlike the loop in su, this one doesn't need to follow the same line as when it started the loop. Okay, let's see again. Okay, next up is the hiragana character ni. Ni. Ni looks like a knee. Easy to remember, right? Hiragana ni is written in 3 strokes. The first stroke is like that of the hiragana ke. It is a vertical stroke with a slight outward curve, and then it ends with a hane. The second and third stroke is like the hiragana ko, but smaller. Start with the curved line on top, then follow it with the bottom line curved in the opposite way. Okay, let's see again. The third one is the hiragana nu. Nu. To remember this character, think of a pair of chopsticks holding a bunch of noodles. Hiragana nu is written in 2 strokes. First, draw a curved, slanted line. The second stroke starts at the same height as the first stroke, but curved opposite it. Make a big curve, then finishes with a loop. Take a look at the proportions of the spaces. These 2 are small ones. This one is a bit larger. And this one has the biggest space. Okay, let's see again. This is the hiragana character ne. Ne. Think of ne as a snail, hiding behind a nail. Ne looks similar to nu, doesn't it? Well, just remember that you need a pair of chopsticks to be able to hold your noodles, so nu has 2 lines sticking out on top of the curve and ne just has 1. Hiragana ne is written in 2 strokes. The first stroke is a vertical line which goes from top to bottom. The second stroke starts with a short horizontal line that passes the first stroke. It then goes diagonally to the left, passing the first stroke again. Then it retraces back, makes a big curve, and ends with a loop. Okay, let's see again. And our final character for this lesson is the hiragana no. No. It's easy to remember this one. It's like a no sign.
No is also a widely used hiragana. It is the particle used to denote possession.
Hiragana no is written in one stroke. It starts from this point, goes down and bends to the left, and continues on to make a big curve that passes through the starting point. Make sure that the curve meets the starting point, but try your best not to go too low and make the vertical line protrude. Okay, let's see again. Let's see all the characters again. Na, ni, nu, ne, no. Now, let's review what you've learned. I'll show you a character or a word and give you time to say them. Ready? Ni, just like a knee, remember? Which one is the hiragana ta? It's this one. It does look like a ta, doesn't it? Ji, this also means letter. Remember this one? It's se. Cuckoo, it's a ku. Nu. Nani? This means what? What? Nani means what? Inu. This means dog. Nya. Neko is cat. Niji. Niji means rainbow. Okane means money. Senaka, it refers to your upper back. Natto. Natto is fermented soybeans. It's known to be very smelly, but it's very good for you. Onegai. Onegai means please. As a noun, it also means a request.
Great job! Are you wondering why there's no Dakuten version of nani nu ne no? This is because the N sound is already voiced. Try to feel your throat. There's a vibration, right? Okay, let's wrap up this lesson by recapping what you've learned.
In this lesson, you learned the hiragana characters na, ni, nu, ne, and no.
よくできました。You've now mastered 25 characters and 40 Japanese syllable sounds.
Did you miss the Dakuten in this lesson? Next time, I'm going to introduce 5 more characters and another modifying mark, so don't miss it. Before you go, practice writing the following words on your own. Nani, 犬 猫 夏 喉 肉 布 熱 脳 国 日記 昨日 農家 きのこ お金 納豆 行かない お願い たけのこ 懐かしい
See you in the next lesson! またね!